To all of you competing here in Australia, the very best of luck. It's an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be part of the team supporting you in your quest over the next couple of weeks. Pob lwc I chi gyd, mae pawb adre yn edrych ymlaen at gweld chi'n cystadlu. Mae'n fraint ac yn anrhydedd I fod yn rhan o'r tîm yma yn Australia. Here are some messages for you from home.
Hi, this is Ian Rush here. I'd just like to wish Team Wales all the best in Australia in the Commonwealth Games. Bring back loads of medals and the nation is behind you.
Good luck to everyone in Team Wales in the Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast. Pob lwc I chi gyd allan yn Australia. Enjoy'ch eich hunan. Da fo.
Good morning from the Good Morning Britain studio. As you can see, we've just come off air. Look, I just want to say good luck to everyone involved in the Wales Commonwealth Games team. The good thing about getting up the crack of dawn for Good Morning Britain is that I'll be able to watch you. I want you to go out there to Australia and bring back a hat full of medals. Good luck, make us proud.
Hello, Alex Jones yma. Bob lwc I Dîm Cymru. Good luck to you all. We are so proud of each and every one of you. We'll be watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Non Evans. I've got 87 caps for Wales in rugby and I've represented Wales at the Commonwealth Games in judo, weightlifting and wrestling. This is just a message for Team Wales to wish you all the best in the Gold Coast in Australia. I wish I was coming with you. Go out there, give it your all, try and come back with a medal, but if you don't, if you give 100%, you'll make the whole of Wales proud. And a special good luck to the Welsh Women's Sevens team. I wish I was playing with you. Good luck Team Wales, pob lwc Cymru.
Just a quick message, good luck to Team Wales in the Commonwealth Games in Australia. Hope it goes really well and you have a load of success.
Hi guys, it's Dan Lydiate from the Ospreys. I just want to wish you all the very best out in the Gold Coast, everyone competing. We're all behind you. We've got a couple of our own Osprey boys out there with Tips, Tom, and one of the staff, Anthony Carter. So I'm still pretty gutted that I wasn't selected to go. I think I heard it was a close call between me and Tips, but you know, you guys decided to go for speed and skill this time, which, I don't know, it's your call, but only joking. Yeah, just want to wish you all the best. And like I say, all the athletes competing, we're all behind you and bring them some medals, guys. Cheers.
Good luck, Team Wales.
Pob lwc I Dîm Cymru yn gêm ar Gymranwad.
Good luck to Team Wales in the Commonwealth Games.
Yeah, all the best.
Good luck, Wales, in the Commonwealth Games.
Mwynhewch y profiad lawr yn Australia a gobeithio dewch chi'n ôl yn llwyddiannus iawn.
Good luck, Team Wales, in the Commonwealth Games. Go for it.